most of the shophouses at these places, they have a very narrow frontage, but they have a long body. Because during British colonial time, how they calculate the property tax is based on the width of the property. So the narrower you build, the lesser the tax you pay. Yeah. So that's why they build it long, but they still enjoy the space inside, yeah, by paying a little tax, lower tax, yes. This is the old pictures of market at Chinatown. They used to have the stores at the open area, really messy. They also sell things that they are now prohibited in Singapore. Like we are not allowed to sell wildlife now. I'm going to bring you to the market today. It is in there. They moved in there. So we check out how would the market looks like in Singapore today compared to the old days. Yeah.